Comments can be very encouraging to see on your videos, but at the same time, they can also be pretty annoying when they have nothing to do with the actual video. You know, spam, maybe a few negative words here and there, but mainly spam. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how you can clean up your comment section by deleting some of these comments. Also, I'm going to show you how you can have an auto filter and have blocked words. So in case YouTube sees that somebody makes a comment with certain words in it, they'll automatically be blocked. People can't see them. They'll be up for review. You can choose to see whether or not you want to keep them or just go ahead and delete them. Go into YouTube Studio, and you can see I'm on the dashboard right now. If I go to comments, in the comment section, you can see that I automatically have published comments right here. I have the filter that says I haven't responded yet. So that's these people right here that I haven't said anything to. But you can also see right beside that I can go ahead and use this. This is a filter, so I can go ahead and search for certain things. I can say, oh, I just want to do stuff that can contain questions, or I can go to public subscribers, subscriber count, or people that are from my super thanks only. So I can do it that way. Or I can go to helpful review, and these are some people right here that may have some triggering words that YouTube decided, I don't know, this seems like a little bit like spam. Or I might have already put this in the blocked comment section or automated filters. So this is also where that stuff will be held for review. And since I'm already here, I'm going to go back to published. And you can see at the top right here, it says this is so helpful and interesting to all small content creators. Keep pushing. And I can go ahead, and I already have some canned comments down here that YouTube itself has already put down that I can go ahead and just respond and use this to respond to. So I can say, thanks so much, click on that. And then I can go ahead and press reply. I can also upvote it, downvote it, give it a heart, or I can go on the action menu right here where these three dots are, open up this menu. You can see that it says remove, report, hide user from channel, always approve comments from this user, add the user to a managing moderator or a standard moderator. So I don't have a problem with anything I think these people have set up here, so I don't need to remove any of these. But going to helpful review instead, what I can do, and I can see this right here, somebody who decided to leave a link, and you can see right it says block words, which I'm assuming the block word is this link right here, because I have decided that I don't want people to leave links up here and just automatically be shown on videos. So since I don't like this, I can go ahead and go to delete so I can remove it. But if I decide not to remove this and just leave it up here, you can see that it says all comments will be removed after 60 days. So I don't have to do anything. I can just leave it where it is. But if I don't feel like this did anything, then I can go ahead and go to this check and approve it. I can go over here to the flag and report it as spam or abuse, and then I can go ahead and hide the user from my channel. So let's go ahead. I don't feel like really flagging this person or hiding this person from my channel, but I will go ahead and remove this by clicking on the trash can. You can see this what says season is getting if your partner cheating on you but you don't have proof to defend it, DM the hacker above, blase blase blah, blase 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 blah. So this is a person where I could say I want to hide this user from my channel, or I want to report it as spam or abuse. I want to go ahead and report this one. So let's say you want all of your comments that go on your videos to be under review before anybody gets to see them. So let's go ahead and go back into YT Studios. From here, what we want to do is go to settings. And you can see it's on general tab, but what we want to do is go to the upload defaults tab. and then we're going to go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, we're going to go down. And you can see right here at comments, it says hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. That's where I have it right now. But you also have allow all comments. You have hold all comments for review. And then you have the option to just disable comments completely. This will work for all videos moving forward, but this won't help you with any videos that you already have posted. So like I said, if I wanted to hold all comments for review, all I would have to do is click on it and then press save. But since I like where it is right now, and then I can increase the strictness if I want to, but I don't want to. I'm gonna just leave it where it's at. And I can go ahead and close out. While I'm already in settings, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can have automated filters and you can add block words from here. So going from upload defaults and going into community, what I wanna do is, you see that I'm at automated filters. What I wanna do is scroll down and you can see some hidden users already up here for people that's already left some spam on my comment section. But keep going down and you can see it says blocked words right here. So I can always add a few blocked words, you know, things like cuss words and other things like that, anything with like .com or something like that. But if you look down, you can also see that it says block links. So this will automatically block like anything with like .com, .net, stuff like that. So I don't have to worry about adding those in myself. I don't have any block words that I currently want to block. I mean, actually there's probably a few of them that I want to block, but I haven't had too many problems with having to block words currently. But any comments that have any blocked words that I have up here, they will put that to the held for review section that you just saw I was at. So this is all you need to know. And once you finish your block words, all you got to do is press save and that's it. So now to show you how to manage the comment sections in the videos that you already have uploaded, what you want to do is go to content and you want to click on whatever video that you want to go ahead and edit. And now we want to scroll down until we get to the comments and ratings, which is all the way at the bottom. You can see it right here, comments and ratings. And we have the same option as before. We can go ahead and allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate, and increase the strictness, hold all comments for review, and disable the comments. So if you want to disable any one comment section in a video, you got that right there. If you have multiple, then you can also click on these here and we can go ahead and press edit. And we can go down until we find comments. We got comments right there. You can do an individual video from here, or you can do a bulk video editing from here as well. So yeah, this would probably be the easier way to do it, but yeah. So with that being said, you now have everything you need to know about how to clean up your comment section for now and for the future. And I mean, shoot, you can go ahead and completely disable your comments if you want. I mean, I wouldn't. Don't think that's a good idea. But hey, you know, I don't know what you're using your channel for. So to wrap all that up, if this helped you out, then this video right here might help you out as well. Shows you how to customize your YouTube channel. So I would suggest giving it a shot. Check it out. And also, hey, if you like this video, then you know what to do. Leave a like,